And your Blizzard Buffaloes. Now, your home players. The Rizzlers coming out, number 69, Phoenix Gromick. And now, number 8, Zachary Garrido. And number 7, Mateo Belsario. Again, back, hey! Hey! Yeah, don't reach. Out. From there. Nervous here. Yeah, back. Jack, get it! Come on. My bad. I'll throw it in.
Go, big boy.
I gotta get your feet. Get right. Again, shoot. How about it? Yeah. Back. Oh, yeah, what am I doing? I get too excited there. I got it. Oh! Hey!
Oh, what a steal!
Out.
That's not out. Out the half one's right there.
Yeah! 1-0. You wait after time I shoot. Where do you go to again? 10. 10 win by 2. 15. What? 15. It's 10 win by 2. Let's use 15. Win by 2. 15 win by 2. Okay. Back. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh shit. Sorry. Oh yeah. So is that 3? Is that 2?
It was a 2-pointer, buddy. 2-pointer.
Oh, it's my bad, Phoenix. I fumbled. Hey! Why you? Hey! Why you? Phoenix! Trust.
I'm going. Shoot it, I dare you.
Yeah. Out.
That's not out, man. He's not, or the half court's not out.
Why? It's out.
We're doing half court out.
We're playing half court. We're not playing full court.
Yeah, but the half court's gonna be out.
No,
you could go on the other side of the court. What? I know, but you should be able to allow it to.
Yeah. Oh! Gosh, money. Give me throw. Here you go.
3-2. Where's the board? I think
get
I
after.
They got the board.
I'll get it.
No, just do it now. No, I'm already got it.
At halftime. Did you get it? 3-2. 3-2. 3-2. No, it's 4-2. 4-2 loss?
Yeah, I got 3 points. Get on Mateo here. Get on Mateo.
Again! Hey! Hey! Hey, go! Go! Come on. Hey! Duck! Guys! Yeah! Get back! Again! Ah. Hey.
On Donner.
All of him. Go! What is it? 4-3? 4-3?
That's 4-3.
On him. Kick. Oh, Frank. Yes, we are gonna shoot.
I told you he's gonna shoot.
What's the score? 5-3.
5-3. Ready, big guy?
Let's just do the count after, eh? Get back. Yep. Whoop, hey. Ow, boy!
We need possession. That's where we're going wrong.
Relato! Wait, just let me check if it's still recording. Imagine, then we have to restart. Here, we're good. What is it, 6-3? Yeah, 6-2.
Ready?
Good Zach. Good Zach. Hey. Oh, sorry, Fakes. Good play. How bad? Good play, guys. Zach, that was a good play. Both on knees. No, watch back.
In the head.
Hey!
No, you hit me in the head too. You hit me in the head.
I didn't hit you in the head.
Yeah, you
Hey,
did.
I stopped you.
You hit me in the head.
I'm trying to tell the difference of your head to the basketball. Now watch back. Okay, I'm on the seat.
Come on, Donner.
Hey!
Oh!
Hey! Hey! Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Oh, you didn't check.
Yeah, we were already past.
Oh, my bad. When's break time? All right. Timeout is done. Timeout is done. The score is currently 6-4 for the Rizzlers. Yeah, let's go.
Going? Yeah. Roll, shoot it right through that. Get the one down. Yeah.
Check.
One more time.
Let's go.
He's going to use the back. I thought you were getting the back where I get him.
Yeah. Ah. Hey!
Oh! Zachary!
Damn! On him! Switch!
Things in my eyes.
Get! Ah! See it. Hey! Hey, again! Hey! Hey!
That was a travel, man.
Just don't freeze throw. That's my bad. Okay, it's all you. Just gotta reach. Oh wow, what a move.
Right here.
Hey, you gotta do it, you just go off. Hey, double dribble.
What are you talking about? I didn't see anything.
Again. Yeah. On back here, step back again. Hey. Don't talk about that. My bad. That's now. Yeah. Oh, that was bad.
I'll get it in.
Let me check.
Yeah, let Zachary.
6-6, eh?
Yeah. Come on. Sorry, that was my bad.
You want to check it in, buddy?
Air ball.
Throw it to me and I'll throw it back. Then you throw it back one more time. Can you sit back here, buddy?
You got this.
Okay, one more time. Throw it back in the big one.
Andrew Taylor's look at her.
Yes! 7-6! Does that count as one?
Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah.
For real. You gonna go now?
Yeah. Good, Zach. Keep going.
Oh.
Like that, Zach. Hey!
That distracts me.
Look out!
Again. Hey! Oh, I'm
sorry.
Foul. Foul on number 3, CJ.
You jumped right into my hand. That's what basketball's about. I didn't really do anything. Nick just walked into the wall.
Yeah, that's one, right? Is that one?
Yeah. Here we go, for real.
Don't reach. I'm done.
Go, you're all open. That's 8. That's 8. That's 8 to 6. That's 1. Shoot it! Oh. Don't tell me to shoot.
What?
I was really open too. Like I had the rebound. If there was a rebound. That's it, Zach. Whenever you're ready.
cover free. I'll cover everything. Back again. Hey, hey!
I'll give, yeah, if you give it tail.
Again! Oh, my bad. Get try.
Oh, watch your tail.
Hey, fans, I'll take these. Look at that one from playground.
Oh, that's for you.
Out.
That was an out.
Still in! Where's the active replay? Oh! No, I thought we were gonna Is it in now?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's it?
I mean, whatever. Got the ball.
Oh, it's close deal. Got him. We got it. Foul! He's hurt. Who is? Dash. Oh!
Yeah, got it.
I know, I'm just catching my breath. Let me start it. Zach, you're like a little gremlin. Good. Get up, Zach. Hey! Yeah! Improve it! He's yours. Hi, buddy. Go, Zach, go. The little gremlin's gonna get in. You gotta shoot it, Reese. We can win right here. What? It's first 15? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh! It's 15, bro. Yeah, I forgot. Joey!
Already had break.
So what's the score? 8-6? What's the score? 8-6. What is it, 8-6? 8-6?
Hey, Roger.
Yeah!
That's your guy. Oh. 9. Hey, stop playing it. We stop finish. You gotta get this. Come on. Someone take the ball. Just throwing it in. Also. Come on. Get on, Reese.
That's one.
Reese! Go, Beard. Okay, Zach. Zach, are you okay? Time out. Zach's hurt. Zach's actually hurt. Are you okay, buddy? Beard.
What happened?
You okay, buddy? Are you gonna be able to survive?
I don't know what happened. I think I knocked into him.
Do you want to take a side? You have to put him on the IR. Okay, well, let's put you on the side for a minute. Dude, that's a freaking foul shot.
No, it's an accidental. He was just in the
Just
way.
sit on the side for a minute. Well, Daddy wins the game. Here you go. Okay, let's go.
Our ball though.
No.
We had last possession.
No, it's freaking accidental. It's ours. Yeah. Let's do a scrimmage. Yeah! What are we at? 7 now? 8. No, 8. Tied? Yeah. Tied game? No, it's 9. No, you're at 6. We're 8 now. 8. What's the score? 8. I'll check it in. Hey! Shit, man. I'm hitting it too hard now. On. That's on in. Oh, shit, 12. Riggs, where are you? Oh, shit. Yeah. Hey! Oh. Yes. Shoot again. Get on him! Oh, that's out. No. Hey, again! Yeah! 9-8. I think it's 9-9, bro.
No, it's not.
No? 9-8 us? Yeah.
Can I do it? No, I won't do it.
That's one. Hey!
What's up?
Stop. Yeah, screen. Back. no.
Oh no, was that over or under?
That was way over. Again. Sure.
I'll throw it in. I thought it was real.
Good try.
Clean the balls though? I think I'm getting too tired to crease.
Take your shot. Hey! Yeah, shoot it. Wait, back. Where? Oh, my bad. That's my bad. I called. Not right now. Hey. Oh, hey, Zach, get it. Yeah, I'm on Reese. You go and see. Yeah. Oh, no.
Reese, where were you?
Not over there. Good, Zach. This is your ball, Zach.
You're not even in. Oh, you are.
That's your shoot. Yeah, get it.
That's out.
Up.
That's out.
Down. Yeah.
That's trouble.
How's that travel?
You stopped
Yeah.
and then you went like this again.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, when it's 10, you go to break. Alright. It's 9-8.
You can't see with the sun.
Yes.
9-9.
Like the Dennis Rodman.
I don't need it yet.
Dude.
I'll throw it in. Get me outside, you boys.
Just try.
How about that?
Let's down Chucky's, okay?
That's one.
You have a better chance of blocking the
Oh!
Hey! Big! Phoenix.
You gas fish. Like we all want.
Shoot it.
Yeah. Oh, you guys.
Oh,
Keep your head up.
shoot it. Travel.
Reese! Where were you? You gotta be faster.
Phoenix. Nice.
Okay, break.
Phoenix and Uncle
You ready?
Chuck check. Yeah. Where's the checking one?
I know.
Yeah, Zach, get it. Zach. Play back.
Oh, Zach.
Oh, Zachary. Good.
Hey, Reese, you gotta jump more.
Hey, you were in front of me.
Switch. There's no way.
Yeah, back.
There's no way.
Again. Hey. This time.
Rebound it.
Oh.
Rebound it.
Yeah, on him. Almost.
Oh, Reese! You messed up.
Get it clear.
Oh, I did clear it.
Your foul.
Yeah.
Keep forgetting.
Oh, the sun. Pay attention. The sun is super. I don't know if you know, the sun's right there. No sun in my eyes.
Go on. You're fine. Are those good?
No, they're keeping them.
Oh, man. My bad. Go ahead, Phoenix.
Get it. Go, get it.
No. Hey.
Get it here, run. You got it. Oh, you son of a gun!
Nice try. travel.
Nope, I bounced it at the last second. Yes, I did.
Travel. Just play, just play.
What are we doing?
Felix.
Easy. Pass it back. Go forward. Get in the lane. There. Okay. See?
You're showing.
Jay.
See?
Jay. I'll get it. Hey, no time for. You do that on halftime. That's it. No more halftime calls.
Here.
That's one.
Overtime is fourth quarter.
What are you doing, Reese? You get right behind the butt.
Okay.
You can just. Not wasting my energy. You gotta get right behind me. Go in like that. Go right behind me. Come in for a nice little football back. Right in. I'll go him. That was a really awesome no. Gonna reach out for it.
Oh! That was a foul.
Yeah! You hit me.
Call
Is
it
that a foul or no? No.
That was a foul.
Stop, Reese. You're stupid.
Yeah.
I thought it was a foul, so that's why you gave the ball.
Yeah, get on defense, dude. Reese, there it is! Perfect lob! Oh, that's in the face! That's out, buddy. No. He's out.
How was that out?
I don't know, the one thing where your feet are.
Ten, right?
Don't suck it out now, you're a goalie. You're a pro athlete. We got the boat open. Yes, 11. You're so excited.
What's the score?
11-10. That's one.
Hey, he tripped me.
That is a trip.
That is a trip. That's a foul.
Yeah, I can't see it, so that we
No, that's a foul. You tripped me. Come on, we said we're playing on it.
That was actually,
We said we're playing on it.
no, I did a screen. You went into me, brother.
You put your leg out.
That's called a suit. Okay, we going in now? That's good?
Yeah,
was
the way
a
I said
screen.
to
You
pick my
went
jersey.
into me.
Fixed.
Guys, back. Guys. Zachary. Honories.
I'm busted.
Hey, Phoenix.
Grab my leg.
Phoenix.
Get to it.
The Buffalo's coming out, man.
What?
The Buffalo's coming out.
I had to grab something. I got in the mood.
Phoenix, let's play how we play at Leicester.
That's one.
Let's stop doing that.
Two. The Leicester Buffalo. That's what we call them.
Hey!
Hey, it's for horses.
Again!
Three here for go. Good.
Hey!
Push. That's a push.
What push?
You just pushed me.
I
You
didn't see
push,
that.
I seen that.
I didn't see it.
Stop. Your team did. And your team saw the push. We play still or what?
No.
Ay, caramba.
You guys are getting all defend.
Well, dude, you want to play with rules or not?
Hold on, I got your rocks on the sheet.
hit.
1 second, I need to tie my shoe. Reese, you gotta stop it. Come on. Some moves here. Wasting valuable shooting time. What's that? You're wasting. You're getting losing the ball here.
I didn't push him.
It's on video.
Pretending.
It's on video.
You can replay it.
It's on camera now.
Okay, where are we going?
Right here.
Okay, our ball. I'll check him. That's 1.
How we
So
play
what's
it-
the score?
How we play at Leicester?
That's 1.
Yeah.
What's the score? 2. It's 11-12.
Again.
Come on.
Try passing hard in it.
Oh, Reese! I'm trying to balance the line.
Just shoot it.
Perfect.
I'll
throw it, Eric.
Yeah, let me start with this sometimes.
We have to check it. What? We have to check it. We have to go. Why? Because. Why do we have to check it? Come on. Oh my gosh. I thought that was in. I thought that was in too. I was confident. Get it.
Oh, good try, Phoenix.
You're gonna do my best. Tracy, get it again. Oh. 12 to 10. 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 Hey, I'll check it in. Here, give it to me, Reese.
Tell me try checking it. I haven't checked it.
That's 1. So this is the next one we're just gonna go.
What?
They checked in 1. I can post him up. He's grabbing me. Foul.
I'm not.
I'm not playing fouls. I got the ball.
Let's travel.
Oh, well, I just did count the foul. Well, he had the foul first, so we're going with the foul.
I didn't even touch him.
He grabbed me. He grabbed around my arm. You can't do that. Okay.
You
Can't see,
know
we're all
guys
gonna
said
be
these
around.
fouls that you start playing.
Come on, let's just play a gentleman's game.
Yeah, well, let's go, big. I love you. Remember that. 70.
You're in your right.
7.
Get him, Zach. On him. I just got go. Duck. Yeah. You check. Come on, you have to.
You're on knees.
Hey.
Should we play the whole court,
Hey,
the whole
hey.
last?
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the court. We should
Hey,
play the whole
hey.
way. Shit. I think we should.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
No. We're already playing half right now.
Okay, let's go. And we're in, Reese.
Dude, it's impossible to play full court.
Oh.
Yeah. See, I should pass quicker.
Oh, man.
Hey. Zach, come on him.
Reese. This guy's like a gremlin.
Oh. That's you. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
That's it.
That's a gremlin. He's good in our face. Oh! That's where that pump fake would have worked.
The back. Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, Reese
Yeah.
should have second tune.
Oh my baby.
There is something in my shoe.
You punched me.
Oh! Oh! Jack is in there.
Good. Shot. Hey! Pushing in the tripod, you idiot.
Okay, let's time it out there.
Dude.
We all get one shot each.
All right.
That's the most points in the
A new rule introduced that the RTMP brings different since there's no ref, if there is a foul that both sides believe they have, there will be a shootout for the foul. Why are you going?
Because we're all every member of the team.
Double team shooting.
Back up, guys.
Don't miss, buddy.
Dad, I can't break this.
Okay, just open the whole thing. I'm
I
tired.
want
What do you think, Garfield?
Phoenix, I want to try it. I've been working on my form, trust.
Yeah, you have been. Saw that doggy. You did great, buddy. I love it. It's all up to you now.
And then it goes back around.
It's all up to me.
You have a very low bar here.
Yeah! Yeah,
I
you,
don't give it to him because he hit the rim.
if Zachary hits the net, it's a
Yeah,
point.
we're just gonna give it to you. Zach hit the rim. That's
Well, he's not going to score.
I know. That's why I said I'm giving it to you guys because Zach hit the rim.
All right,
you
all
have
right.
to shoot it in. I'm gonna give it to you because it's Phoenix. Zach. If Zach hit the rim, I'm pretty proud of him for doing it.
Okay, Zoe,
Zoe,
get off
you're
the
gonna get
court.
hurt.
Let me check it in.
No, it's one.
How many people have Under Armour here?
I got under.
Wait, that,
Yeah,
Louis,
Look, we're all sponsored by
stop.
Adidas.
Dad, now give it to me.
I got Phoenix.
I got Mateo.
I'm always your back man.
Boom! Buffalo charge! There is something in my shoe. I don't know how I get rocks in.
Get out, good job.
Yeah, Phoenix! Again, again!
My feet are really good.
Shoot it, shoot it.
You touched it last. No, you guys are cheaters. Is that how the Rizzlers want me known for it?
You actually say you touched the last year.
What? I think I didn't touch it last.
You did. But that's okay. We're all just trying to. Oh, sorry, you hit the back. Are you okay, big boy? How was that mean to? Okay, we're not fouling everything.
Wait, you elbowed me in the back of that.
You
That's
elbowed
a
me in the
foul.
back. That's called
That's a foul.
receipt.
That's a
It's
foul.
foul. No, it's not. I didn't mean.
I don't like this foul shit.
No, we're not doing fouls. Let's just keep going.
Okay, I'm going.
It's too much in the line. We're not calling every little boo boo.
Yeah, because we're not fouling you, because you're following the rules.
I didn't hit him on purpose.
Oh, yeah, I don't like the sand now.
That's a little gremlin.
Yeah!
Hey, what was that? He literally threw me to the ground.
Phoenix!
He threw me to the ground with my foul.
We're going on free, so we don't have for foul. Foul. That was a foul. He hit my arm.
Quick!
He hit my arm. Where are these fouls now? All of a sudden they want to play
Let's go.
dirty?
Good finish. Yeah!
You're supposed to be there.
We're going
I don't know what that
12,
means.
11.
It doesn't mean it means I'm just gonna go for the
12, 11.
Go for the what? I don't know. I'm stuck. I'm gonna try and get a way out. That's one.
Oh, shit, my bad.
I'll throw it in. Let's go on, Reese. Oh, sorry. Okay. Did you break your arm? Oh.
Holy shit.
Oh, don't do that. Your arm was. You okay?
Yeah, look down.
What
You're a big
happened?
guy.
You freaking ran into me.
You okay? You're a tough guy.
Yeah, recheck it.
I don't know if this is safe.
I know. I was like, oh no.
Here, recheck here.
Yeah. Here, let's redo that. Let's not get gritty. What is the score, by the way? 12?
Let me tuck
12,
it
11,
in.
12,
Let
11.
me tuck it in. For us or you?
We're 12, they're 11. And it's just a 15?
Yeah, are you good? Sorry.
What was the
And
dice
it's win
done?
by 2. If it's like, say, 14, 14.
Yeah, I got it.
You see what he did there? He went for a soft
We're gonna
back
be
for the
all
first
night.
one. They fucking hammered it for the...
Let's go. Are you recording?
Yeah, let's go.
So, did the other parts record or no?
I don't know. No other parts did. Yeah.
Here, we'll just get the highlights anyways.
What? Okay. So, how much points do you think we lost?
I don't know.
Okay, the score is
We don't have time.
score is 14-14.
Win by 2. You want to take
Yeah, I'll take me. You check old Phoenix there. That's one.
Let's go. We don't have time. I want to record this shit.
Phoenix again. Hey! Hey!
Oh, my face. It's back in the face.
What?
Yes. Get it, Riggs! You're good.
Am I?
Get that 3. We're winning it here. Just do it.
Get Autumn into it.
Come on, yeah.
That's your guy. That's your guy. On him.
Oh.
Phoenix! Phoenix!
Shoot it.
Go.
Again! Again! Again!
Get it, Riggs. Go, Riggs. Reese, where are you? Oh, yeah, you gotta stop doing that.
Hey,
Oh, I
hey,
think Reese, Phoenix is always there.
Hey.
Get it, Reese. Go. I'll throw it in.
I'm going to walk
Whoa.
Sorry, man. Hey! Hey!
Get him. Shoot it. Let's shoot it.
Again! Again! Yeah!
Smack that face again. Face again. Like we are killed.
Oh, no, good shot. On your dad.
You like this, huh?
No!